Demands on UK and Irish manufacturers are increasing. Rising employment taxes and issues affecting and disrupting traditional internal and external supply chains are making companies rethink their manufacturing strategies. The goal for some is survival, for others it's growth. For both, improving productivity and process efficiency is critical, and the need to keep spindles turning and to machine components quickly and reliably, optimizing production time and controlling labour costs has never been so important. For many manufacturers, the answer has been to invest in automation, where the ability to run machines like this behind me efficiently and continuously is delivering real business benefits. But the good news for manufacturers still to embark on their automation journey is there is help at hand from Mills CNC through their innovative Synergy automation systems. And here at the company's Automation and Turnkey Centre, Mills designs, builds and proves out its highly successful Synergy automated manufacturing cells for DN Solutions and Doosan machine tool customers across the UK, Ireland and a number of increasing international clients too. Now, Mills CNC doesn't just provide automation solutions, which they've been doing for years, they also deliver them like no one else. So I was really curious to understand why Mills CNC uses the phrase "like no one else" so prominently when describing the company and the products and services it provides. So when it comes to its Synergy systems, what is it that helps set them apart in such a competitive market? Well, the key difference, according to them, lies in the level of customization and flexibility they offer. Mills Synergy solutions, including both the Synergy Premier and Synergy Sprint systems, can be fully tailored to your specific needs. These systems are not just standard one-size-fits-all solutions. They can be designed to handle larger payloads, multiple robots, and custom-built workload and unload stations. In addition, they can be supplied with integrated inspection and part washing capabilities, along with safety features like floor scanning technology, all controlled by Mills' own proprietary IHMI software. The level of flexibility is something you don't find everywhere. But it doesn't stop there. Mills CNC's engineers work closely with their clients to design personalised systems. They use the latest CAD software to create detailed digital models of these systems before anything is built. They even go a step further by creating digital twins of the system to simulate its performance before installation. This ensures that every system is fully optimised and functional from the start. When it comes to servicing and maintaining Synergy automated manufacturing cells, Mills CNC approach really is like no one else. They combine in-depth technical knowledge with unmatched customization to deliver high performance and reliable solutions that will elevate your business. Mills CNC Synergy systems have proven to be highly effective, combining deep expertise in automation with comprehensive knowledge of DN Solutions and Doosan machine tools. This strong foundation positions them as a key player in providing advanced automation solutions in the UK. Mills firmly believes, and the results back this up, that their extensive experience with DN Solutions and Doosan machine tools makes them particularly well suited to meet the automation needs of customers who have already invested or are about to invest in these machines. Through their Synergy systems, Mills CNC can offer high-tech, fully integrated solutions from a single source. Flexible, adaptable and cost-effective, Mills CNC's automated manufacturing cells truly stand out in the industry.